This is question 13 on problem solving from the 2009 TSA. So I'm buying a new phone tariff and I estimate that I use 100 minutes of calls monthly. Therefore, which of these companies, A to E, will give me the cheapest bill? And so our options are the high, medium or low user tariffs. And we have this fixed monthly charge for each one and the call cost per minute. So where shall we start? Well, clearly we have many options for this tariff, but maybe we can narrow some of them down of the ones that are obviously not going to be cheapest. How can we do this? Well, if we look at each section, so the high user tariffs, we have a call cost of 5 pence per minute for each of them. And so naturally, we're going to choose the one with the cheapest fixed monthly cost. And so there's no need to pay more per month when we're paying the same per minute. So let's get rid of all these above 50. Now, can we do something similar in the medium section? Now, we have three options where we pay 20 per month with different rates per minute. And so out of these, naturally, we're going to choose the one with the cheapest minutely cost. So let's get rid of these two. And then we have two options that are £10 per month. One of them is cheaper per minute, and so we're not going to choose the one that's more expensive per minute. Then in the final column, for the low user tariffs, 4 of them are free monthly, but with a call charge. So naturally, we're going to choose the one with the cheapest call charge. So let's get rid of these 3. So now we've got rid of the ones that are easily comparable with cheaper options, and we've narrowed it down so much that we only have one for each company that's left. So let's work out how much we pay in each one of these options and see which one's cheapest. So how do we work out how much we're paying per month for each of these contracts? Well, firstly, we need to know how much we're paying for calls. So we have 100 minutes, and so firstly with A, we're paying 5p per minute. How much will that be total for calls? So 100 times 5p is £5. Then what about B? It's 25p per minute for 100 minutes, which is £25. Similarly for C, we have £55, for D, £45, and E, £40. So what are our grand totals? We just need to add the fixed monthly charge to what we're paying for calls. So for A, 50 plus 5 is 55. For B, 20 plus 25 is 45. For C, it's free, then we're just paying £55 for calls. For D, it's £5 plus £45, which is 50. Then finally for E, we have £10 plus £40, which is £50. So which company gives us the cheapest bill? So clearly 45 is the lowest total here, so company B is our answer.